Glen Helen's kind of an odd place. You should be prepared for this, but in the morning I had a scoop tire on my bike. The track is nice and loamy and deep, perfect for that. But as the day goes on, as it got later, the track got hard, kind of dusty, kind of polished off. So I'm going to change. I happen to have spare wheels, so I have a spare wheel with a regular tire on it. So I'm going to change to the regular tire because it will hook up better in the dry condition, hard condition, and last longer, and it'll just make for a better day. Now I'm going to take the scoop wheel off, and we're going to run just a normal tire. So I'm basically just going to change my wheel with the scoop to the wheel with the normal tire. And the tools you need to do that, you need wrench to get the axle, and then maybe if you might have to adjust the chain, so then you need your wrenches to adjust the chain, and some grease to make sure the axle's greased, some contact cleaner to make sure everything stays clean. Before we put the wheel on, we're going to make sure everything's clean, no dirt on anything, grease everything up, and then we will put the wheel back on with the regular knobby tire. Always want to make sure the axle's real clean. We're going to re-grease the axle so it's nice and greased up before we put it back together. Now that everything's cleaned and greased, we're going to put my practice wheel back on the bike to go test a few things today. As a suspension guy, I'm always coming up with things I want to try. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but that's why we're out here, because I come up with a lot of different ideas. I also like to stick a rag or a wrench or something, stick it in here, roll the chain backwards. It'll pull the wheel all the way up to the blocks, so you make sure both sides are up and tight against the blocks before you tighten the axle. That's it. Check the chain adjustment right where I want it. Ready to go.
Don't forget to subscribe.